Hello there. Welcome back to English pronunciation practice. Today, we are going to learn about voiceless and voiced consonants.
Let's learn how to distinguish between a voiced and a voiceless consonant. Place your fingers in the front middle part of your neck. Now say z, as in the word zoo. Now, let's make it longer. Z. You should feel a vibration in your vocal cords. This is how you know that the z sound is voiced. Now, let's try this with the s sound, as in the word sat. Say s. Now, let's prolong it. S. This time, there was no vibration in your vocal cords. That's all there is to it. The tongue and lip positions of the z and the s are identical. The only difference between them is vibration or no vibration. Vowel length and voiced and voiceless consonants. Vowels are longer when followed by a voiced consonant and shorter when followed by a voiceless consonant. Even short vowels like I, e, and are prolonged when followed by a voiced consonant. For example, I followed by a voiced consonant sounds like I, as in big. Warning, common mistake. When you lengthen a vowel, make sure that you do not change the sound of the vowel. When you say hid, make sure that it doesn't sound like heed. Voiceless and voiced consonants. Word pairs for practice. The first word of the pair ends with the voiceless consonant and the second with the voiced one. Notice the difference in vowel length. S, z.
Advice, advise. Ice, eyes. Niece, knees.
T, d.
Mate, maid. Hat, had. Bet, bed.
F, v.
Half, have. Life, live. Belief, believe.
K, g.
Back, bag. Duck, dog. Duck, dug.
Now, I challenge you to pronounce word pairs in the following sentences. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to support. And like, if you like.